Here's a USB cable, more exactly it's a micro USB, and the cable was very loose when inserted it into a camera or into a phone. So how to fix that cable so that it will not be as loose when inserted into something? Get a needle, let's say that one. Here you can see two little hooks, this one and that one. You have to lift those up from this corner. From the end. Notice now it's lower and now it's taller. So lift it up a little bit so that it will make better contact. Both of them. You need a sharp needle for this. Now try to insert it into the camera. And now it should not be loose. It's not falling out easily. You can even pull the cable and it's not coming out. I'm moving the camera from this cable. The solution is to lift up those two hooks so that it will make much better contact.